Want to decorate for Halloween without breaking the bank? Looking for the best Dollar Tree Halloween decor ideas for 2025 that are stylish and affordable? Halloween decorating doesn't need to be expensive. With Dollar Tree Halloween Decorations 2025, you can transform your home into a spooky haven on a budget. From inexpensive indoor setups to DIY outdoor crafts, these creative ideas make your home festive without overspending. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, your go-to channel for affordable and creative decorating inspiration. In today's video, we're exploring the best Dollar Tree Halloween decor ideas for 2025, from indoor accents to outdoor DIYs and spooky crafts anyone can make. Why choose Dollar Tree for Halloween decor? Dollar Tree Halloween decoration ideas are budget-friendly, creative, and easily customizable. For just a few dollars, you can grab everything from spooky wall art to DIY craft supplies. What are the best inexpensive Halloween decorations? The best inexpensive Halloween decorations include plastic pumpkins, skeletons, lanterns, and spider webs. Pairing these finds with creativity makes your home look festive. If you love budget-friendly decor, don't forget to like and share this video with friends who love saving money on Halloween. What's new in Dollar Tree Halloween decorations for 2025? For Dollar Tree Halloween 2025, expect trendy items like black and white pumpkins, glow-in-the-dark skeletons, and Gothic wall signs. These new arrivals give your decor a fresh, modern twist. How can I decorate my porch with Dollar Tree finds? Use faux cobwebs, lanterns, and DIY wreaths for homemade spooky outdoor decorations. Add Dollar Tree pumpkins stacked on the steps for a festive Halloween porch. Would you decorate your porch with pumpkins and lanterns or go all out with skeletons and cobwebs? Let us know in the comments. What are easy indoor decorating ideas with Dollar Tree items? For inside Halloween decorating ideas, try black tablecloths, skull centerpieces, and spooky window clings. Adding battery-operated candles creates a cozy yet eerie vibe. What are some fun Dollar Tree Halloween crafts? Dollar Tree Halloween crafts include painted jars for potion bottles, DIY ghost lanterns, and mini haunted houses. These are fun for kids and make perfect party decorations. Want more affordable decor inspiration? Check out the playlist in the description. It's packed with Dollar Tree decorating ideas. What are the best Dollar Tree Halloween finds for 2025? This year, Dollar Tree Halloween finds 2025 include Gothic frames, spooky dishware, and LED pumpkin lights. These small touches create a big impact indoors or outdoors. How do I make DIY outdoor Halloween decorations with Dollar Tree supplies? For homemade DIY spooky outdoor decorations, use foam boards for tombstones, pool noodles for creepy arms, and dollar store lights for eerie pathways. Love DIY on a budget? Make sure to subscribe for weekly affordable decorating ideas. Can I create a Halloween wreath with Dollar Tree items? Yes, with faux flowers, ribbon, and plastic spiders, you can craft a Dollar Tree Halloween wreath for under $5. It's an easy project that makes your door stand out. What's a good Dollar Tree Halloween party idea? For a party, use Dollar Tree Halloween Crafts 2025 like DIY potion jars, black tableware, and themed balloons. These budget-friendly touches transform your party space instantly. Want more Halloween party ideas? Check the related videos in the description for inspiration. How can I use Dollar Tree items for a haunted kitchen? Turn your kitchen spooky with Dollar Tree Halloween decorations like black dishware, skull mugs, and potion bottle jars. Adding spiderweb tablecloths makes mealtime festive. What about Dollar Tree bedroom Halloween decor? Add string lights, mini pumpkins, and DIY lanterns to make a bedroom cozy yet eerie. This is one of the easiest Dollar Tree Halloween decor ideas to create. How do I decorate a Dollar Tree pumpkin? Paint pumpkins in black, white, or glitter finishes for a classy look. These Dollar Tree Halloween crafts can be customized for centerpieces, porches, or parties. What are some trending DIY projects for Dollar Tree Halloween 2025? Trendy Dollar Tree decorations DIY include Gothic candle holders, potion shelves, and mini haunted village displays. These are affordable yet look high-end. If you're enjoying these Dollar Tree Halloween decoration ideas, hit like and share. It helps us bring more spooky inspiration. Why is Dollar Tree perfect for Halloween 2025? Because it makes Halloween accessible to everyone. With Dollar Tree Halloween decor ideas, you can decorate your home inside and out without spending a fortune, and still make it look stylish and spooky. Halloween doesn't have to come with a scary price tag. With Dollar Tree Halloween Decorations 2025, you can create festive porches, spooky interiors, and DIY outdoor displays on a budget. From inexpensive crafts to trendy new finds, these ideas prove you can celebrate in style without overspending. If you love these Dollar Tree Halloween decor ideas, like this video and share it with friends who love decorating on a budget. What's your favorite? Indoor crafts, outdoor DIYs, or Dollar Tree party finds? Comment below with your pick. For more Dollar Tree Halloween decorating ideas 2025, check the playlist in the description. Subscribe now for weekly budget-friendly Halloween and seasonal decorating tips. See the description for related videos on Dollar Tree finds, DIY projects, and inexpensive Halloween decorating ideas.